burst in the door and started whooping her ass worse than before. They cursed me for sewing her over furniture. It's the return of the, oh wait, no way, you're kidding. He's around grabbing it, you know what, ripping it, you know who. Yeah, but he's so cute though. Yeah, I probably got a couple of screws up in my head loose, but no worse than what's going on in your parents' bedroom. Sometimes I wanna get on TV and it's that loose, but can't. For the cool for Tom Green to hump a dead moose. My mom is on your lips, my mom is on your lips. And if I'm lucky, you might just give it a little kiss. And that's the message that we deliver to little kids. And expect them not to know what a woman's clitoris is. Of course they're gonna know what an intercourse is by the time they get fourth grade. They got the Discovery Channel, don't they? We ain't nothing but mammals. Well, some of us cannibals who cut other people open like antelopes. But if we can hunt dead animals and antelopes, then there's no reason that a man and another man can't elope. But if you feel like I feel, I got the antidote. We can wave your pantyhose, sing your chorus, and it goes. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So walk the real Slim Shady. Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So walk the real Slim Shady. Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Will Smith don't got a cuss in his rap to sell records. Well, I do, so fuck him and fuck you too. You think I give a damn about a Grammy? Half the critics can't even stomach you, let alone stand me. But Slim, what if you win? Wouldn't it be weird? Why? You guys can just lie to get me here, so you can stick me here next to Britney Spears. You think Christina Aguilera better switch me chairs so I can sit next to Carson Daly and Fred Durst. And hear them argue over who she gave head to first. Little bitch, put me on blast on MTV. Yeah, it's cute, but I think he's married to kids. I should download her audio on MP3 and show the whole world how you gave him an MVD.